Are you ready to unlock a world of endless possibilities with just a single click? Imagine having the power of multiple advanced AI tools at your fingertips, all seamlessly integrated into one user-friendly dashboard. Welcome to SuperHero AI, the revolutionary application that's transforming the way content creators, marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs work. SuperHero AI is not just another tool. It's an all-in-one powerhouse designed to replace the clunky, costly tools that have been holding you back. No more juggling different subscriptions or struggling with software that doesn't fit your needs. With SuperHero AI, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of advanced features, making it the ultimate solution for all your creative and business endeavors. Want to create stunning visuals? SuperHero AI allows you to generate high-quality 4K images with the versatility of DALL-E 3 HD. You can bring your ideas to life like never before, whether it's for social media, marketing campaigns, or even personal projects. Imagine the possibilities when your ideas become a striking visual reality in seconds. But that's not all. With SuperHero AI, you can take your content to the next level by creating ultra-realistic voiceovers that sound like they're coming straight from a professional studio. No need for expensive audio equipment or voice actors. Just type in your script and let SuperHero AI handle the rest. Your voiceovers will leave your audience captivated, enhancing your videos or podcasts instantly. Have questions or need information from any files or websites? SuperHero AI taps into the power of conversational AI, enabling you to chat directly with your documents or online resources. Imagine this. Ask a file for the key points or clarify complex data with ease. You can streamline your workflow and maximize productivity without breaking a sweat. And for those who need a personal touch, deploying AI assistance has never been easier. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply trying to stay organized, the AI capabilities of SuperHero AI can adapt to your needs, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. Powered by elite AI models like GPT-4o, SuperHero AI ensures you are always at the cutting edge. This isn't just another tool. This is your ultimate creative and business ally. So if you're ready to elevate your projects and do more with less, it's time to join the SuperHero AI revolution. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and updates on revolutionary tools just like this one. Your journey to becoming a supercharged creator starts here.